Good morning, little kids. How are you? I hope you all are doing well. Okay, today we'll do English subject. As you all know, we have already done joining cursive letters from letter A to letter Z. Yes, today we are going to do the revision of letter A to letter L. Okay, this is joining cursive letters. I told you earlier also, because these are joined to each other, like capital letter A is joined to small letter B. So these are joined to each other. Yes, that's why it is called joining cursive letters. Okay. Yes. Okay, now let's start. What will come first? A. What will come first? A. Okay. A stands for, tell me, apple? Oh yes. Now tell me one new word. A stands for active. Yes, you should be always active while doing your work. Now we'll see how we will make A. Okay. These are the 4 margins in your notebook, right? Yes. How you are going to do? You are going to start from third margin, from here. 1, 2, 3. Okay. You are going to start from here like this. Starting from third margin, go up to the first margin like this. Again, come back to the third margin. Again, taking a circle like this. This is, what is this? Capital A. Now, joining the capital A, we will make small a like this. Right? Always make a kick like this. I told you. Yes. Okay. This is A. Now, what comes after A? B. B stands for ball. And B also stands for banana. Right? Yes. So, we'll see B. Now, for B, you are going to start from the first margin. From here. Okay. Then come back to the third margin. Again go back to the first margin, taking a curve like this. Okay. Again like this and like this. This is capital B. Now joining the capital B, we will make small b like this. Taking a curve, come back to the third margin again like this. And this is capital B and this is small b. Okay. Yes. Now, what comes after B? As this is a revision, so we will not waste our time. As we have already done all the letters with the pictures, right? With proper explanation. Now, we are doing the revision. Yes. Now, what comes after B? C. C for cat and C also stands for crow. Yes. This is a crow. Now, we will make C. How? You are going to start from the third margin like this, taking a curve, go to the first margin. Again, come back to the third margin like this. This is capital C. Now, joining the capital C, we will make small c. Like this. This is capital C and this is small c. Is it visible? Yes. Okay. This is capital C and this is small c. Okay. Now what comes after C? D. What comes after C? D. D for dog. Okay. D for duck. Yes. Yes. Now let's make D. How will make? We are going to start from first margin, from here. We are going to start from first margin like this, taking a small curve like this, go back again to the first margin like this. Now, this is capital D. Okay, as I always told you, while making joining letters, never pick your pencil up. Okay, this is capital D and this is small d. Okay. Now, what comes after D? E. What comes after D? E. Where is E? here? Yes, E stands for elephant. E stands for elephant. Now we'll make E. This is joining cursive letters. You have already done cursive letters in your LKG class. These are the joining cursive letters. Okay? Yes. Now starting from first, second margin, you will make like this. Like this, E. This is capital E. And joining the capital E, we will make small e. Small e will be made between the two margins, that is second and third margin. Okay, this is E, capital E and small e. Okay, now what comes after E? F. F for fish and F for flag. This is the flag of India. Yes, very good. Now we'll make F. You have to start from first margin, from here, like this and like this. Okay, this is F, and joining the F we'll make small f like this. What is this? Capital F, and this is small f. Okay, this is E, B, C, D, E, F. Now we'll do our next letter, friends. We have divided in three groups. In each group there are 3 letters. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. This is first group. This is second group. Now we are moving on to third group. This is third group and this is fourth group. In third group we will cover 3 more letter, friends. That is G, letter H and letter I. Okay, now let's make letter G. G, where is G? This G stands for God and G also stands for gun. Okay, now how we'll make G? We'll start from third margin, first, second, third. From third margin, from here, like this, and you have to go only to the second margin, like this. Again come back to the fourth margin, like this, and joining the capital G we will make small g like this. This is capital G and this is small g. Okay, yes. What comes after G? H. This is our revision, so practice more and more times. Okay, yes. What comes after G? H. H stands for hand. H also stands for heart. This is a heart. Yes. Now we'll make H. For H we are going to start from here, in between the first and second margin, like this. Then again come back to the third margin, like this. Now from here make a straight line like this and taking a circle curve like this. This is H. This is capital H. Now joining the cap from this tail only, from this kick only, we'll make small h. How we'll make? We'll go up straight to the first margin, again come back to the third margin, like this. Now tell me what comes after H. What comes after H? I. Yes, I stands for ink. I stands for ink. Now we'll make I. What you have to do, you have to start from here, in between the first and second margin, like this. Come back again to the third margin, like this. Again joining the capital I will make small I, like this. This is I. Okay, what comes after I? J. What comes after I? J. J stands for J for jug and J for jeep, right? Now we'll make J. As this is a revision, you have already done joining cursive letters in your notebook, so we will not waste our time. Okay, so let's make J. We'll start from second margin, like this. Again go back to the first margin, then coming back to the fourth margin, like this. This is capital G. Now joining the capital G, we'll make small g like this. Okay, this is capital G and this is small g. Okay, what comes after G? K. K stands for kite. K stands for kite. Now how will we make K? You have to start from here like this. Come back to the third margin like this. Now from here we'll make like this. This is capital K. Now joining the capital K, we'll make small k like this. Okay, this is K. Now what comes after K? L. L stands for lamp and L also stands for lion. Now how we'll make L? We'll start from here like this. Like this. This is capital L and this is small l. What is this? Capital L and this is small l. These are the two groups of three letters. These G, H, I, this is third group. J, K, L, this is fourth group. So tell me today what we have covered. We have covered letters from letter A to letter L. Okay. Bye bye.